nutritious. My name is 𝐸𝐿𝐸 and today we will be making a fresh berry spritzer. So without further ado, let's get started. Wait, before we start, let's go wash our hands. Before we make anything in the kitchen, we always want to make sure to wash our hands to ensure that there's no bacteria on our hands. Be right back. Now that our hands are clean, we're now going to start to prepare mise en place. Mise en place is French for everything in this place. So before we start cooking, we want to make sure that all of our ingredients and materials are ready for us to start cooking. In our mise en place today, we have a bunch of ingredients and super cool materials. So, to start, we have blue agave, sparkling water, a mixed berry blend which consists of strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries, some mint leaves for garnishing, and for our materials we have a wooden spoon, our chef knife, a blender, measuring spoons and cups, a pitcher, and a glass for later. Are you wondering where you get all these super cool materials? Well, I have a tip for you. Behind me is the Rainbow Chef's backpack. Inside you can find all the materials that we'll be using through all the videos on this channel. So if you would like to buy one, go ahead and check out our website. To begin our berry spritzer, we're going to start off by blending together our berry mix. So again, in our berry mix we have strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries, and we're simply going to pour them into our blender. I'm also going to leave behind a few blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries for garnishing later. Now that we got all the yucky seeds out, we're now going to throw these away, and then we are left with this beautiful dark purple berry puree juice. This will make our drink super pretty and come out into a light pink. Now that we finished our berry puree, we're going to put this to the side. Next, we're going to start on our agave. So you're going to grab your pitcher, a third of a cup or a 2/3 cup measurement cup, and the blue agave. You're going to pour 2/3 of a cup of agave into our pitcher. Agave is a light sugar syrup that is way better than the white sugar. A lot of the kids around America are using white sugar or drinking soda that is not very good for you. But using agave is a great replacement to help with vitamins and nutrition. Now that we put our blue agave into our pitcher, we're now going to pour our fresh berry puree that we made into the pitcher as well. Next, we're going to pour the rest of our berries in. I'm going to save a few for the garnishing. And then, we're going to pour in our sparkling water. Wait for the pitcher to get out. You can already tell how pretty it is. It's like a really dark purple, and purple happens to be my favorite color. After pouring our sparkling water into our pitcher, we're going to grab our wooden spoon and mix together all the stuff that we added into our pitcher. Make sure to get all the blue agave that is at the bottom so that way our drink is nice and sweet. Mom, it's wrong. And there you have it, a berry spritzer. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and like and subscribe down below, and hopefully try out this recipe. It's super yummy. See you again soon!